It's been 5 months since Guatemala was first hit by Hurricane Eta and then again by Hurricane Iota. In that time, Casa Guatemala has worked with many other organizations to continue to provide first-hand relief to the communities that have been affected. Last week, we were able to bring a little bit of hope and joy to the community of Sebol.
Esas son una mezcla de donaciones que se vienen de nuestros amigos del Buckner Guatemala, de Guateplast y de Integral Hearts. Entonces aquí vamos a hacer allá un poco de todo hasta una abundancia. Por la gracia de todos nuestros amigos, piense en Casa Guatemala y en nuestros vecinos aquí en el área de Sebol.
Thanks to generous donations from our friends at the Integral Heart Foundation, Guateplast, EdeCasa, and the Buckner Foundation, we were able to provide for 150 families of Sebol a care package to get their kitchens up and running again, as they've just now finally been able to return to their homes. Many of the people that we helped are still digging out the mud and have lost almost everything. This is only half of the families. We still need to find similar donations for 169 additional families who have yet to receive our help. We know that we can count on the people around us so that these people who have been through so much will continue to know that people like you care. We are honored by the trust of our friends at the Integral Heart Foundation, who called us and let us know that their supporters also want to help people here in our region. With a very generous grant, we were able to purchase a frying pan, a pot, and a comal for people to make their tortillas. We called up our friends at Guateplast, who also helped us with plastic goods to get their kitchens back up and running. The looks on the faces of the women and the families we were able to help say it all. Thank you for your continued support and for helping us to help those who really need us the most. We couldn't do it without you.